In this demo video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in the Power BI service from multiple pinned visuals from different reports. And I'll explain why that's valuable. So let's say that I want this visual to be part of this dashboard I'm creating. I can just hover over this and click on this pin icon. Now I don't have an existing dashboard, so I can't click that, but I can create a new dashboard, and I'll just call that demo dash, and then I'll click pin. I'll get a notification up here, so I'll go to the dashboard, and here I have my pin visual. Now it doesn't look like much yet, but we're going to add more to it. But you can adjust the size of this visual tile here, and once we get more visuals pinned here, I'll show you that you can also move these tiles around. So the neat thing about this though is if I click on this visual, it's going to automatically take me back to the report from which it's pinned. All right, now let's go to another dashboard, another report here, another page in this report pack. And let's say I want this one right here to be pinned. Again, I'm just going to hover over it, click the pin. Now I have an existing dashboard. I'm going to keep the current theme. All right, demo dash pin, go to it, and here we have our new visual in our dashboard. Now again, I can just move things around. Awesome. Now click this, navigate back. Okay, so those are visuals in the same PBIX file, right? But let's say, let me go to, I'm going to go to the demo workspace here. And instead of going to our operations reports, which I was just on, I'm going to go to our executive reports. Click on this one here. Okay, and now let's say I want this data tile here to be pinned. Again, I'm going to hover over it, click pin. I want it pinned to demo dash and go to dashboard. Now I have this here. I'm going to put this on top. I can adjust this, make it smaller, just move things around nicely. Now if I click on this, it's going to take me back to that report, the CFO dashboard in the executive report pack. So I've created this dashboard in the Power BI service that has multiple visuals from different reports and different reports that are based on that are housed in different PBIX files. So where is this dashboard? Where does it live? Well, if I go to workspaces, the demo workspace here I find it. All right, so it's created in the workspace that I was working in. So I can click on this and it takes me to it. So imagine now I have 5 or 10 different visuals that I like to look at on a regular basis. I can have those pinned here to this dashboard, and this could be the first thing that I look at every day, right? And then if there's something I want to drill into, all I have to do is click on that visual, and it takes me to the report, and I get the context to it, right? And I can do further analysis. So that's the benefit of creating a dashboard in the Power BI service.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.